It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 220. At what point on the graph of this equation, well, this is actually the equation of the circle, right? Is the tangent line parallel to this line? Okay, so slope of this line is equal to 4y is equal to negative 3x plus 11. So y is equal to negative 3 over 4 x plus 11 over 4, right? So slope is negative 3 over 4. So we have to find the point where the tangent line is parallel to this line. So slope of tangent line has to be equal to negative 3 over 4, right? So let's find the slope of tangent line to this graph right here. Okay, we're going to do the implicit differentiation. We have x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. So let's differentiate this with respect to x. So we have 2x plus y squared, 2y times derivative of y, dy over dx, or y prime, right? Is equal to derivative of 25, that's 0, right? So we have 2y, y prime is equal to negative 2x, eliminate 2. So our y prime is equal to negative x over y, right? So this is the slope of tangent line, and this is the slope of this line. They're parallel. So this must be equal to this, right? So we're going to set negative x over y is equal to negative 3 over 4. Eliminate negative, right? So cross multiplication, 4x is equal to 3y. Now we're going to use these two equations to find the point where the tangent line is parallel to this line. Okay, so here y is equal to 4x over 3, right? Substitute 4x over 3 for y here. So we have x squared plus y squared, that's a 4x over 3 squared, is equal to 25, right? That's x squared plus a 16x squared over 9 is equal to 25. So I'm going to multiply by 9 each side. We have a 9x squared plus a 16x squared is equal to 25 times 9, right? So sum of these two, that's a 25x squared is equal to 25 times 9. So 25 cancels out. We have x is equal to plus or minus 3. When x is 3, y is equal to then 4 times 3 over 3, which is equal to 4, right? So the point is 3, 4. And when x is negative 3, then y is equal to 4 times negative 3 over 3, which is equal to negative 4. So when x is equal to negative 3, the y coordinate is negative 4. So we have 2 points where the tangent line is parallel to this line, 3, 4, negative 3, negative 4. And let me draw a circle here with the radius 5. This equation is x squared plus y squared is equal to 25, right? So here's a 5. Here's 5. And we have a point 3, 4. Let's say 3, 4 has to be somewhere here, right? This point. So at this point, the tangent line, the slope of this tangent line is equal to negative 3 over 4. And this line, this tangent line is parallel to this line. And we also have one more point, negative 3, negative 4. So negative 3, somewhere here, negative 4, somewhere here, right? So about here. So we have tangent line, and this tangent line also have a slope negative 3 over 4. So this tangent line is also parallel to this line, right?